Hi, welcome back to Cooking Plant Forward. Today we're going to replace chicken nuggets with cauliflower. Just as delicious. Still use your favorite dipping sauce, but we're getting rid of that chicken and we're going to make it a plant. Okay, so this recipe is very easy. Cauliflower is one head. All I did was chop it up, wash it, dry it, bite-sized pieces. You can go bigger, you can go smaller, whatever. Depends on the size of kiddos. And garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and Ritz crackers are going to go into the food processor. That's going to make a breadcrumb. We'll do that now. Okay, now that we have that mixture and the nice crumb, like a breadcrumb, now we're going to drizzle the cauliflower with a little bit of olive oil. Now, maybe a tablespoon, two. You don't need a lot. Do your breadcrumb a little bit at a time. Alright, don't be afraid to get a little dirty. Now it's nice and coated. I have a greased sheet pan here. We're going to get this in the oven at 400 until the cauliflower is soft. Golden brown, crispy on the outside. Now, olive oil, the less you use, the less of a crisp it's going to have on there. But again, it's fat, so the more fat you put in there, obviously, the more fat you're going to be eating. So you can go a little lighter. You can use different seasonings in the breadcrumbs if you like as well. Italian seasoning would be good. And this is a good option for those store-bought chicken nuggets. All right. We're going to put that in the oven for about 25 minutes. Golden brown, nice and crispy, smells delicious. Okay, now that these are out of the oven, looking nice and delicious. Beautiful golden brown. Smells wonderful. Smells great in here. Soft yet crispy on the outside. You're going to have their favorite dipping sauce. And here we go. Fresh out of the oven. Crispy. Smells wonderful. I call them Callum Flower Bites. Kids love them.